Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cameras that claim to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the 70mai M300, and on the right, we have the Prilot dash camera. Let's see which one will come out on top. Buckle up, folks! Alright, let's talk about video quality. The 70mai M300 boasts a 3-megapixel camera, recording in 2304 by 1296 PHD resolution. That's almost 1.5 times clearer than standard 1080p dash cams. It captures license plates and road signs with ease. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera takes it up a notch, offering full UHD 4K recording on the front and 1080p on the rear. With a total of 3 cameras, it maximizes road coverage. It's like having a personal surveillance system in your car. Driving at night can be a challenge, so let's see how these dash cameras handle low light conditions. The 70mai M300 features 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in the darkest tunnels. No more worrying about missing important moments. Meanwhile, the Prilot dash camera comes equipped with super night vision and infrared cabin light. With a wide aperture and infrared lights, it captures important details day or night. It's like having a night vision superhero in your car. Now let's talk about parking mode. This is where things get interesting. The 70mai M300 has a built-in G sensor, which detects sudden shakes or collisions around your vehicle. It provides a 24-hour parking monitor, automatically recording any potential incidents. It's like having a personal security guard for your car. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera also offers parking mode, but requires a separate hardware kit. Once activated, it switches to parking mode when your car turns off. It even has collision detection to protect your vehicle from theft or vandalism. Memory and loop recording are essential features for any dash camera. Let's see what these cameras have to offer. The 70mai M300 supports micro SD memory cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. It automatically overwrites the oldest videos with the latest ones, ensuring you never run out of storage space. It's like having an unlimited memory card. Similarly, the Prilot dash camera comes with a free U332 GB micro SD memory card. When the storage limit is reached, it automatically overwrites the old recordings. Plus, it has a G sensor that locks emergency footage to prevent overwriting during loop recording. The 70mai M300 is recommended for its superior video quality, clear night vision, built-in G sensor for parking mode, and expandable memory. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera stands out with its impressive 4K video recording, excellent night vision, collision detection in parking mode, and included memory card. And there you have it, folks. The 70mai M300 and the Prilot dash camera battled it out, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.